Now that we've imported all our parts, and remember this base we fixed in position, I'm going to come up here and grab my slider mate. I'm going to choose the center point of this side facing me. So let's get my angle just a little bit different, see if I can grab that. There we go, the center point there. And what I want is the corresponding point here of this face. And again, facing me. There we go. And I'm going to green check mark that. And what you're going to see is this piece now slides here. I'm going to do that same slider constraint with this point right there on the opposite side to this same here, the corresponding points. And again, I can green check mark that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my two that are closer together on this side of that handle, and I'm going to come down here. I'm going to go to the bottom side, and I'm going to come to my revolve mate. I'm going to choose the bottom face of this center hole to the top face of this hole on the slider, and I can green check mark that. I'm going to do the same exact thing with a revolve mate here, choosing the top portion of this with the bottom of that hole right there. And again, I can green check mark that and solve that. So we can see as we're now set up that they align, and both of those are revolves. Now I'm going to do a fasten mate to the bottom of this circular face, to the top of that circular hole for my handle, green check mark it, and I'm going to do the same thing with my pins, that bottom face right there to the center point, to the top face of that circle right there, and the exact same constraint with a fastened mate to the other part here. Oh, fasten mate, choose there to this top portion of that circle there, green check mark it, and now what I should be able to do is grab this, and you're going to see as I spin this, my machine works. We can see it slide and navigate. So I hope this helps as we're learning Onshape and getting used to the different constraints that we can make in Onshape, and how we can put different parts together to make some simple machines using constraints.